My name is Leslie Clark with William Ravis Real Estate. Welcome to your personal paradise in Westport, Connecticut. Today I'm going to show you this 13,000 square foot Nantucket-style home on 7 acres with unobstructed views of the gorgeous Long Island Sound. Well, why don't I just show you? Follow me inside. The moment you walk through the front door, the gorgeous view of the water beckons as you walk through the arched entryway. This architecturally dramatic home was custom designed by France & Associates, and instantly you notice the careful attention to detail. This house was made for entertaining. The foyer opens to the bright kitchen, living room, dining room, and family wing. Let's take a look. The kitchen is a chef and entertainer's delight. The kitchen features modern, high-end appliances, everything necessary to host large gatherings, holidays, and intimate dinner parties. The focal point is the bay of windows showcasing the jaw-dropping water scenes. I'll just go ahead and tell you, that's a theme throughout the entire house. After preparing dinner, you can invite your guests to the formal dining room or into the living room for some instant relaxation. There's a wood-burning fireplace, and you can easily move onto the veranda through French doors for an after-dinner cocktail. The wood deck overlooks the pool, saltwater pond, and Long Island Sound. But don't worry, I'll show you all of that later. You can also move the party to the downstairs recreation area and even provide your guests with their own private movie screening. The possibilities for entertaining in this home are endless. And when you and your guests are ready to wind down for the night, let me show you the perfect place. The homeowners wanted their guests to have their own space to retreat to, so they designed a custom wing. It's equipped with 2 ensuite bedrooms, a kitchen, and of course, a balcony with inspiring water views. They'll never want to leave. But now, let me show you the upstairs. This home features 8 bedrooms, but the master suite really takes my breath away. There are water views from every window, a marble fireplace, and a private balcony to enjoy your morning cup of coffee. And what's a master suite without a luxurious master bath and a spacious walk-in closet? If you want to savor that morning coffee or enjoy an evening cocktail, let me show you the best spot in the house. Now imagine entertaining your guests on this magnificent rooftop. The Long Island Sound is just steps away, and there's something for everybody in the backyard. But if you want to escape land for a bit, push off the cedar dock and paddleboard or kayak on your private 3-acre pond. I hope you've enjoyed touring this private paradise as much as I've enjoyed showing it to you. Cheers, and I'll see you at the next home.
Thanks for watching. Like what you see on the show? Well, be sure to subscribe to our channel. We have so many more beautiful homes to share. It's all about love. Share these homes, you know?